Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is essential for maintaining energy and overall health. Incorporate these 10 foods into your morning routine for optimal benefits. 1. Oatmeal, high in fiber and helps lower cholesterol. 2. Greek yogurt, rich in protein and supports gut health. 3. Eggs, packed with protein and essential nutrients. 4. Berries, full of antioxidants and vitamins. 5. Whole grain toast provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. 6. Avocado offers healthy fats and fiber. 7. Nuts and nut butters, high in protein and healthy fats. 8. Bananas, convenient, rich in potassium and quick energy. 9. Spinach or leafy greens, high in vitamins and fiber. 10. Chia seeds, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein. Combining these foods in various ways can help you start your day with a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, enhance your vitality, or simply stay informed about the best ways to take care of your body and mind, you've come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to better health. Let's make wellness a way of life together. Here are 10 foods that are great to include in your morning routine. 1. Oatmeal benefits. High in fiber, keeps you full, and helps lower cholesterol. Nutritional highlights: contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber. 2. Greek yogurt benefits. High in protein, supports gut health. Nutritional highlights: probiotics, calcium, protein. 3. Eggs benefits. High in protein, versatile, and nutrient-dense. Nutritional highlights: vitamins B12, D, and choline. 4. Berries benefits. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. O nutritional highlights: vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. 5. Whole grain toast. O benefits. Provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. O nutritional highlights: B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. 6. Avocado. O benefits. Healthy fats, fiber, and versatile. O nutritional highlights: monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. 7. Nuts and nut butters benefits. High in protein and healthy fats. Nutritional highlights: omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. 8. Bananas. O benefits. Convenient, high in potassium, and great for quick energy. O nutritional highlights: potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. 9. Spinach or leafy greens. O benefits. High in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. O nutritional highlights: vitamins A, C, K, and folate. 10. Chia seeds. O benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. O nutritional highlights: omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants. Tips for incorporating these foods. Oatmeal. Add berries, nuts, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a complete meal. Greek yogurt. Pair with fruit and chia seeds or use in smoothies. Eggs. Prepare boiled, scrambled, or as an omelet with spinach. Berries. Add to cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or eat as a side. Whole grain toast. Top with avocado, nut butter, or a poached egg. Avocado, mash on toast, add to smoothies or eat as slices. Nuts and nut butters, sprinkle on oatmeal, mix into yogurt, or spread on toast. Bananas, eat alone, slice into cereal or oatmeal, or blend into smoothies. Spinach or leafy greens, include in omelets, smoothies, or breakfast wraps. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.